The in-clinic monitor lets you see who is currently in your clinic in real time. You can mark when a patient has arrived and is ready for the appointment to trigger notifications for their provider. You can also view statistics like a patient's punctuality or how long different event types take. Let's take a look at how to use this tool. When a patient has arrived for their appointment, you're going to right-click the event and you'll see two options: Mark Arrived and Mark Arrived and Ready. Arrived means that the patient is here, but they're not yet ready to start the appointment. For example, you need to have them fill out some intake paperwork. Arrived and ready means that the patient is here and they're ready to go back for the appointment. If we start by marking them as arrived, you'll see an icon update on the event, and you'll see their name in the Patients in Clinic bucket over here. Please note that this panel will only be available while you're looking at a single location. If you are viewing all, this Patients in Clinic panel will not be available to you. Within this panel, you're going to see a few things: the provider initials, the patient name, and the duration that they have been in waiting. We'll also see that this color will update depending on which step they are at throughout the appointment. When the patient is ready to go back, we're going to right-click this event again and mark them as ready. You'll see that color update to green as a visual indicator. You can enable notifications for providers to pop up when patients are marked as arrived or ready. On the screen now are examples of these. You can click the blue information icon to show or hide the appointment notes and hover over that speech bubble to view the patient note. Providers can use the quick response buttons or type out a message. The response will come back to the user who marked the patient as arrived or ready. The front desk can then send an additional response, open the patient details, or close the notification. You can control which users receive these notifications and how much patient information is included. To enable patient arrival or ready notifications, an owner or an administrator can edit the user details under User Administration in the Setup menu. Each user can also disable patient information being included under Preferences from the File dropdown. Once the patient's appointment has started, you'll need to right-click the event to mark the appointment in progress. You'll see the event icon change, the color in the Patients in Clinic panel change, and the timer reset. This timer now indicates how long the patient has actively been in the appointment. When the appointment is finished, you'll right-click the event a final time and mark them as completed. This will show a lock icon, and if this is ever red, that means a linked journal entry is required, typically by the provider. To view a patient's punctuality, you'll open the patient file, and on their summary screen, you will see an average of their minutes late or early to appointments, and in parentheses here, you'll see the number of appointments that have been tracked. So on average, this patient is 3 minutes late, but only for an average of one tracked appointment. We also have our appointment analysis report that you can use to view statistics such as average scheduled duration, average actual duration, average time patients have spent in waiting, and the average provider punctuality. This report can be filtered by location, provider, and event type. And that is how you use in-clinic monitoring. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out our user guide or YouTube channel for additional resources. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call or submit a support ticket.